What's up, guys? This is Ayub from ViralWhirl, and in today's video I just wanted to make a quick video on basically how you can make money through YouTube without uploading videos or without being monetized. Okay, now you're probably gonna ask yourself, how the hell do we do that? How the hell do you even make money without uploading a video or without being monetized? Okay, well, it's easy. I'm sure most of you guys have seen a lot of people past 2 months have been uploading videos telling you that you can make money through YouTube without uploading videos, okay? And that is true, okay? That's true. I'm doing it currently. I am currently trying that out on 2 other channels, and it's currently working so far. You basically get Creative Commons videos, and you do compilations on those videos. You do compilations on Creative Commons videos. They could be basketball highlights, football highlights, whatever it is, okay? And it does work. A lot of people are doing it. A lot of people are making lots of money from it through AdSense. But the thing is, most people get stuck with is trying to monetize their account, trying to get 1K subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. Okay, it can be hard because what you're doing here is basically uploading copyright content. How's YouTube gonna monetize your account if you're uploading content that's not even yours? Well, basically, you could still make money through a channel like this even though you're not monetized, okay? And a lot of people are not doing this. I'm not sure why not a lot of people are doing this, because you can use that traffic that you're getting to those videos and sell to them, okay? So let me show you an example. So if we search NBA highlights, let's see, NBA highlights right here, you're going to find this channel right here. I'm sure this guy's doing it. So this guy has full game highlights. I don't think this channel is monetized. He has 664,000 subscribers, but I don't think is monetized. The way that this guy is making money is through this right here. You see this link in the description? That's an affiliate link. That's to affiliate link to athletic phone cases, so basketball phone cases. If we go to this website right here and we check it out, I'm sure this is a Shopify store. So they sell sports. Yeah, they sell sports phone cases. And that's how this guy is monetizing his account, basically. He has sports lovers, people that are watching NBA highlights, and they're going through that link. They're buying through his affiliate link, and he gets a commission. But the thing is, you could go 2 ways in doing this. You could go the affiliate way, or you could start your own store, okay? To make you more money, you're obviously going to want to start your own store. Okay, so you make your own Shopify store. I showed you guys in my past videos. You can look at my past videos how to make a Shopify store, how to set up a Shopify store, and then you could drop ship. Okay, you could drop ship through AliExpress or through Taobao. I have various videos. I have a lot of videos on that. Go check my channel. Go check my channel. I have videos on how you could buy from Taobao, how you could buy from AliExpress. But basically, you go on AliExpress, and let's say you are doing a highlight channel just like this. Just do basketball, because they're not going to show NBA. I'm trying to find something that you could sell through a channel like this. Let me see. Okay, so something like this, a keychain. So you would be able to sell something like this, like a LeBron, Kobe keychain, just like this, through your channel. All you have to do is make videos like this, and it's easy, really easy to get views on videos like this, because obviously they're NBA, everyone's searching for this. Everyone's searching for Thunder and Bucks, whatever, full game highlights. And if you're the first one to post highlights on these games, if you're the first one to post highlights from these games, let's say there was a game on the 9th of April, and you upload them right when the game is done, you upload the highlights, you're going to get a lot of views to your channel and a lot of traffic. And what we're doing here is basically funneling that traffic into this affiliate link or your own dropshipping Shopify store link where you sell stuff like this that's related to the video. And again, I show you guys how you could do the exact same thing on my course. Okay, my course right here, it's called I forgot my course name. It's called Video Marketing Academy, and I have various ways you could monetize your account on there, how to start making money through affiliate marketing through your YouTube channel, how to make a channel and start making money without uploading videos, how to get your account monetized in 24 hours. I've got all that, okay? So if you want to go, it's in the link in the description, pre-registration. It's coming out in 2 days. On Saturday, it's going to be out. Saturday the 13th, it's going to be out. So look out for that. You'll get a notification if you sign up for your email. If you don't want to, that's cool. Anyways, guys, that's how it works. Basically, you make a channel on NBA highlights, and there's no way you're going to get a channel with NBA highlights monetized on YouTube, okay? There's no way. So that's why I made a video like this. A lot of people are having trouble with the re-uploading method, re-uploading Creative Commons content. A lot of people are having trouble with monetizing their account, or simply waiting for YouTube to approve their account, or approve their account for monetization. YouTube currently has a real backlog, about a month or two, just to approve your account. But if you want to start making money right away, the way to do it is to get views on a video and then funnel those views into related content that people would actually buy. So this one, he's selling athletic phone cases. You could sell jerseys, okay? There is jerseys on AliExpress. They are replica jerseys, and you can get your PayPal account blocked for selling something like that. But if you want to take a risk, go ahead. Let's see what this guy is actually selling. Basketball. Okay, so these are cool. You could sell something like this. Wait. Oh, that's good. You could sell something like this, something like this, something like that on your own Shopify store, okay? And there's tutorials all over YouTube and even on my channel on how to set up a Shopify store, how to start dropshipping off AliExpress, what apps to use, Oberlo. There's everything that's free on the internet, okay? Everything. So like I said, make a channel. Start re-uploading videos on NBA highlights, NFL highlights, baseball highlights, whatever it is that you want to do, MMA highlights, whatever it is, and then start posting your link to your affiliate link or to your dropshipping Shopify store, okay? And you're going to get a lot of traffic. This video was uploaded on April 11th today, and it has 196,000 views. Crazy amount of views. This one, 12 hours ago. Again, crazy amount of views, 279,000 views. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going through this link and actually buying. So he's advertising it in the beginning of the video. So at the beginning of the video, you see this, new designs plus free shipping, and it's going to tell you in the description. Check out other designs. And 10% off promo code. Go to athletic cases. And then you go in the description and you actually buy. And when someone buys off that link, obviously they get a commission because that's an affiliate link. As you can see, AFF. So yeah, guys, that's how it works. And re-uploading Creative Commons content still works, okay? Don't let people tell you it doesn't work anymore. Don't let people tell you it's hard to do. Trust me. Currently, as of April 11, 2019, there's people making millions. Well, not millions, hundreds and thousands. I mean, $50,000, $40,000, $30,000 a month just off AdSense revenue off re-uploading content. Okay? And I don't think this guy has a monetized account because he's selling cases. I don't think he has a monetized account, but I have ad block, so I can't even see that. But I don't think this guy has a monetized account because look how big this account is, 660,000 subscribers. They would have shut him down already. But yeah, guys, like I said, re-uploading still works on YouTube. However, if you're having trouble with monetizing your account, or you just can't monetize your account because you're uploading NBA highlights or highlights just to get that 1K subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, but come to find out YouTube is just going to delete your account for uploading that content, yeah, you could do this method where you don't even go and apply for monetization. Don't even bother applying for monetization and just grow the account. Start getting views on your videos and then make a Shopify store, okay? And sell stuff that's related to those kinds of videos. So whatever that you're doing, basketball, football, MMA highlights, boxing, WWE, and then sell stuff that's related to it. WWE t-shirts, whatever. It's just like starting a fan page on Instagram and then selling sponsored posts. But this one, you're not selling sponsored posts. You're using these videos as a traffic source to get traffic to your affiliate link or your dropshipping Shopify store. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions on this, I'll be more than glad to help you. You could email me. You could DM me on Instagram. You could email me on YouTube if that's still a thing. Send me a message on YouTube if that's still a thing. Twitter. Anywhere, DM me on any of those platforms, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. If you guys have any questions, go ahead, comment them down below. If you want to see me do more videos on re-uploading videos on YouTube, getting your account monetized in 24 hours, stuff like that, go ahead, comment that down below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you just smash that like button for this amount of value that I've been giving you guys all week. I've been working really hard on these videos. So yeah, guys, I would appreciate it if you smash that like button, and that's it. Remember, if you want to be notified for when my course comes out, it's coming out Saturday, the 13th of this week, April. So go ahead, enter your email, and I'll send you an email when it comes out. And that's it, guys. Peace.